Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making pups. It's a really easy and tasty recipe. This is Kupari traditional dish what are made on their weddings. It's called Fugas and I just love it. Let's see how to make it. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons water in small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon dried yeast in it and mix it well. Take 3 cups all-purpose flour. Strain it well. Add 3/4 cup urad dal flour, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar. Mix it all well. We have taken 3 cups water. Pour some of the water in it and mix it all well. Keep on adding water and mix it. We need to mix it well for 15 to 20 minutes. Add little water as per you need. Now add yeast water and again mix it well. Crack 1 egg in it. Nicely mix it. Our mixture is ready, so cover it and keep it for rising overnight. See how it is ready after 8 to 10 hours. So let's make puff out of it. Take little water in a bowl and heat up the oil for frying. See how fluffy and airy it is. Take handful of mixture and with the other hand put it in the oil. Before putting next one, dip your fingers in the water ball. Puffs are really coming out well. Let them fry. Once there is changing the color, start turning it. You can enjoy it with your mutton curry, chicken curry or your tea. You do try this recipe and write us in comments. Wow, I can't wait now. Delicious fugas are ready to eat now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.